How to view email in Outlook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will show you how you can find your email and the place to reset your password in your Outlook. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First step, open up your web browser and can simply search for outlook.live.com. Then hit enter and you should be on your Outlook. Make sure you're logged in into your account, and after you've done that, let it load. And after it loads, you will be on this page right here. Now all you have to do is you can find your email address right here as well. There you can see the email. Else you can tap on your profile icon that is on the top right corner, and there you'll find your email. You can head over to your Microsoft account to look more, but let's not do that, and head over to the settings. After you're on your settings, you can head over to the account option right here, and from here you'll find your email. You can copy it if you want, then tap on the manage option. After you tap on the manage, you will see this option. You can head over to your Microsoft account. If you don't see the option to head over here, what you'll need to do is go back, tap on your profile icon, tap on my Microsoft account. After you're there, you will get an option to reset your password as well. So let's head over there. After the Microsoft account loads, you'll find the change password option right here. Tap on change password and you'll be prompted to the page where you can change your password. Now from this page right here, you will need you can change your password. You cannot see your password since all the passwords by basically every social media or every mailing app or software is hashed. So there is no way you can find the password, but you can change the password by entering out a new password here and re-entering it, and then finally tapping on save. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.